What's up, guys? Your boy G-Net. I'm headed toward the Japan Fest held here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm just trying to find out where the entrance is. Like mad people, I barely got any parking. It was crazy. I almost got into a damn accident. You got a lot of people here, and it's only been about 2 hours, and I'm volunteering later on, so I thought I'd share with you the sights and sounds of this event. So let's get to it. I gotta go all the way over there. Aww. Yep. Yeah. They couldn't build a bridge or anything like that? Oh, we finally made it. Yeah, let's see what's going on here. They put a star on my arm. Hope I don't get infection. I'm all checked in and stuff, but I had to go to a different building to get to the actual stuff. No, this is not the line for yakisoba. What? That's crazy. Look at this. So I'll save money on toilet paper.
Yeah, it's a demonstration.
Alright, thank you. Okay, so that's pretty much the fest in a nutshell. I didn't have time to like see everything, but that's pretty much the gist of it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.